Let's go.
Okay, this is a video. This is a thing. It's only, you might be like, that's an Incon monitor. It's not. It's, an unknown panel event, something like that. It's got the panel events right here.
Speak up a bit.
It's got the Panama events right here. The SWAT design. Like 2 SWATs.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Similar to the one up there. That's the old one. Similar to the one up there. And I don't know if you can see. Well, you can't see, but it's the white fitter for it. I'm gonna spin it real quick without the blades. And the other videos contain these wires because they're all wrapped up. Unwrap. It's probably like a CAC or it's something. I don't know. Spin it. It's a chain.
Hold it kind of like sideways, like, yeah, like that.
So you can see.
Yeah, there's sun in the background though, so
Might use
you can't see that way, but yeah, go right there. No, right here, yeah. Yeah, if you turn that on. It's gonna be in the background though too, if you turn that on, Nathan. Okay, shine it on it. Yeah, there you go. Now you can spin it.
See what it looks like over here.
Mm-hmm.
The top also has kind of events, and there's the tag. If you can see it, but you can zoom in on it.
Okay, hold it still.
The wire's all the way. Like you said before. And there's a caution sticker that says, to reduce risk of injury, person must install this fan at least 7 feet above the floor. And the model, if you didn't know the model, it's the model 5HF52, which is the size 52, and it's rated 120 volts and 60 hertz, I think that's what it is. And it says there's a 89/7F, so it might be from 1989. It's really all information on it. Whoa. Whoa.
I just dropped it.
That's what it looks like. I think it looks nice. If I were to make a fan, I would probably make it similar to this one. Or I could make a SWAT that goes all the way down. And like a SWAT that wraps around the top of it there.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'll do if I design fans. Or I could copy this design. It weighs probably about...
You don't want to be a copycat though.
It weighs probably...
Do a different design.
than this.
Yeah, you could do diamonds. Diamond shape.
Vents.
Yeah, diamonds.
And make it look real old.
Yeah,
Like
make it
the
look
early
old.
80s or mid 80s.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. But yeah. Side band is still great. And I'm gonna put the white kit back on. And the full didn't come with any bracket. I might open it up over here because there's more light. Let's undo these screws. There's 3 screws holding the switch cap. Looks like the first time I've done this on video. Get that before it falls in the housing. Third one. And then this should pop out like that. It's inside of it.
Mm-hmm.
It's the capacitor and the whole chain switch. So, what's this?
What's that?
Oh, it's like an old sticker. It's like the Discovery Channel. The ceiling fans.
I guess that might have been what was making the clicking noise.
I don't think it was. It says, see where the rest of the sticker is. It's all deteriorated, probably from age, because
Oh, okay.
get out of there. Let's see what this says.
It's like the
Says
Discovery
lights.
Channel.
Yeah. This is so.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Contact light.
What does it say?
I'm about to find out. Does it say caution? Wait. There's 4 light kit connection. This light kit connection.
4 light kit connection?
Yeah. And let's look at the chain. It's messing it installed somewhere really high because look at that long chain that it had on there. First I'm gonna undo these. See if it was for later. Put this on. It's gonna feed the wire straight. I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna just simply thread on that switch cover. Probably will get scratched up. There should be a piece of paper in there. If I could, I would make one, but I don't know. I think that did that right. It's very firm on there.
Yeah, you did it right.
And that goes like that. Wait, I need to connect the wire first. I think the black goes to this color, is that right? Does the black go to this color?
I'm not sure, baby.
Yeah, it does, because white to white.
White to white and blue to black?
Yeah. Like them, use these wire nuts. They're
Yep,
yellow.
wire nuts and
Yellow wire nut.
yep.
That's the white to white.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me see it. I don't even need them, but I will wear them sometime.
That right back there.
Go
Excuse
ahead.
me.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry about I lost my bag.
Yeah, that's okay.
These 3 squares to put back in.
I don't know whose shoes these are. These yours, Susie? Or your Marty's? Are these yours or Marty's?
I'll have to look at them later. I'm
Doesn't matter.
I'm taking a video.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
It don't matter. I'm gonna sell them anyway.
Screw it back in. That's 1.
You're not gonna sell anybody's stuff. You can't hear me anyway.
Get the chain out of the way.
You don't wear a hearing aid.
It's really like simple stuff. Even I can do it probably. Could be wondering how I learned to do this stuff, but I watched so many videos. And I know how a screw works. A screwdriver. I know how to screw and unscrew stuff. The screws make stuff. That's what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, get in there, jeez. The other one. Reverse switch.
Reverse switch.
Light. Light bulb. Put this all back together. There's a glove for it. You didn't see it yet, but here it is. I found this fan at Goodwill. It's $10.
Yeah, it's $9.89
$9.
or something like that.
And I thought it was such a nice fan, so I just had to get it. It was awesome. I wasn't expecting to find something like that.
Beautiful. It's a really nice fan. We were hoping to find one for his birthday, and we were looking on the internet, and we found one better at Goodwill. Theirs was selling for almost $80 after shipping.
Chinese, but you can't screw them in like that. Some of them they do have that, but that's what it looks like with the glove. And that's what it is with these.
Are you still filming? I need to get ready.
Yep. Go ahead, Mom.
I'm gonna put these blades back in and just want some.
You're not gonna put them on again, are you?
I'm not gonna put them back on. I'm just gonna wrap them up.
Okay.
Give me this gun.
Huh?
These got like Christmas and a half ago.
Yeah. Like last Christmas, wasn't it?
Not Christmas 24, but Christmas 23.
Christmas 23.
You remember?
Yeah.
They have it been shown on video already.
We got our Easter tree still up. Easter tree. We were gonna do a 4th of July tree, but we got so busy during 4th of July. Didn't have time.
Split paper out. Wait, I was gonna flip them around before.
It's okay. You're just stacking them.
One can't flip them around.
It's okay. You're just stacking them, Nathan. Doesn't matter.
This probably goes to a hugger, but I haven't found a motor for it. King side.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I would never install this out the can. Not flip it around.
He did a good job.
Okay, flip them around. Tomorrow?
What did he eat? He ate some corn?
Maybe. Yeah. We'll see.
When we get them out, flip them around.
Maybe. Yeah. We'll see.
Right now?
No, not right now.
What?
Let's put them up. Let's put them up right now, and then we'll do the whole new session. We'll do a whole new session on those.
I got to tell you about this man.
Okay. Well, say bye. Nate, Shabua signing out. Bye, y'all. Bye.